Let's learn how to use Use Bee Venom Collector. First, prepare the collection plate. Use a 75% alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean the glass surface. Remove the outer cover and inner cover of the hive. Place the grid directly on top of the uppermost hive box's frames. Next, carefully slide the clean glass plate into the slot upper the electric grid. Connect the cable from the grid to the power control unit to turn on the device. The low-voltage electric field stimulates the bees to release their venom onto the glass plate without harming them. Cover the device and let it run for approximately 18 minutes. After the collection time is complete, turn off the power and remove the device from the hive. Carefully take the glass plate to a clean, enclosed area for harvesting the venom. Once the venom has dried into a crystal powder, use a scraper to carefully collect it from the glass. For best preservation, place the collected bee venom into a sealed, amber-colored glass bottle and store it away from light.